How to generate images in Gemini. So if you would like to generate images in Gemini, first of all, it is important to understand something. Even if you go to gemini.google.com, the free version of Gemini does not allow you to generate images. You can upload an image and ask it to analyze a certain image depending on what you want. But if you're on the free version, you can see even if I ask it to generate an image of a person with spectacles, let's say, it doesn't have the capability to generate an image if you are on the free version. Now even if you're on the free version, you can see that it might be trying to generate, but you can see image generation of people is coming soon to Gemini Advanced only. So only if you have got Gemini Advanced, you will be able to generate images. So to try it out, you can just click on try Gemini Advanced and subscribe to the premium version by clicking on the get discount option with along with all the price and details, and then only you'll be able to generate the images whenever you switch to Gemini Advanced. Until then, I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.